Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to math class today. Yesterday, you were detectives in finding groups of 10 in order to make counting larger objects a little bit easier. And so I'm going to review that today and talk to you about building these bigger numbers. So let's say we have the number 12, and I ask you to show me 12 by building it. Most of the time, before when we would do this, we would just use little cubes, and I would go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And let's just say, well, that they are kind of all jumbled around. They're all mixed around. So, let's see if I can. Something wrong with this box here. So, they would be all mixed around, and sometimes when we try to count large groups of items, we kind of forget and lose track of which ones we've counted, or we count them over, or we can't just see it very quickly. We have to keep counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, I can't remember if I counted this one or not. And so in order to make it easier, we want to find a group of 10 and exchange it for a 10 rod. So this is my 10 rod. And the reason why this is my 10 rod is because I can put 10 of these to fit in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I can exchange 10 of these little ones for one of these 10 rods. And if I see this 10 rod, I can count on. So this 10 rod equals 10, and then I can count on 11, 12. And so I can easily look here at this and see that that is the number 12. Here's what I mean. For the number 12, there is one group of 10 and then two more little squares. So I would count it 10, 11, 12. There's one 10 and two ones. So let's take a look at these mystery bags. So my first number is 13. Keeps going back, sorry, 13. I am going to fill in this recording sheet to show me 13. So remember, this is 10, 11, 12, 13. Let's look at the next one. This is the number 17. So remember, this rod is worth 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. The next number is 11. So I'm going to start with 10, 11. And then my last mystery number is 16. So here's 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I need another one. 16. So for the number 13, there's one 10 and three ones. For the number 17, there's one 10 and seven ones. For the number 11, there's 1 10 and 1 1. And for the number 16, there's 1 10 and 6 ones.